Good morning, everyone. It's Robbie, Akshan Auto. Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to make a quick video this morning, show you guys what's up with the Maverick so far. Today is February 18th, 2022. It's exactly 1 month to the day since I picked up the truck. And take a look at this. So far, I have 598.9 miles on the truck. When I picked it up from the dealership, it had 27. Full tank of gas, they reset it. So right now, I have 581.9 and I have 17 miles to empty. So, I think it's safe to say that the truck is good for about 600 miles. I don't want to put it exactly down, but I think you can get 600 miles, at least with the way I drive, per tank of gas. Let me drive a little bit to the gas station and we'll see how much it takes to fill up and what we're averaging per how many gallons per mile. Alright, be back with you in a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm here at the gas station and as you can see, 584.9 miles, 14 miles to empty. So that'll give us what? 598.9 to empty. 601.9 miles on the truck so far. And I'm averaging about 43 miles a gallon. I can't see it. Let me see. It'll show us. Come on, reset. No, it's not showing. I don't know how to get it, how to see it. So, okay. Anyway, here we are. First fill up. Punch my little thing there to get it open. Gas in Tampa today. That's the price. Alright. First fill up, so I'm gonna treat the truck. I'm gonna do 93 octane. Look at the price. Let's see how much it takes. Alright, so there we have it guys, 53.43, 13.4 gallons, but remember, that's not $4 a gallon. So there we have it guys, first fill up, now it's saying 43 miles per gallon, and you know, 550 now to empty, but I'm sure it'll actually go up depending. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Help us to grow and get better. Thank you.